Zo mana, zo. Mona yeah, wetin una brother just talk finish.
Our ideologies and concept as Northerners is retrogressive in nature.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name remains Comrade Lamida Kombi, Yagbo Yaju, Plenty Man. I just want to quickly talk to the Hausa brothers. Zomana, help me call all the Hausa people to come and listen to this advice. All the Hausa youth, you need to wake up now and think that your elites are trying to kill your generation. It's only when you are not a reasonable northerner that you'll be thinking otherwise. Nobody is taking your land from you. Nobody is taking your land. The South, Southeast, Southwest, Middle Belt, they are not trying to take your land. And remove the ideology that you are having that you are the owner of Nigeria. Remove that from your brain. It is a brainwash. They have brainwashed you guys to an extent that you don't even know your left from your right. I'm going to play a video that explain a reasonable man, Hausa man, that explain what is really affecting you people, the Hausas. Don't allow your elites to tell you to go and kill the southeast, southwest, south, because we are not your enemy. Your enemy, your greatest enemy are your elites. Those people trying to manipulate you. Why am I speaking too much English? Now, let me speak the English that you understand, the Pidgin English, our general English language, which is Pidgin English. My people, the Hausa people. I'm not talking to the Fulani. I'm talking to the Hausa people. If you know what you they do, no let your enemy, I mean your enemy. You know your enemy already. Your enemy, now them they push una say make una go south. Say south belongs to Hausa people. Say na una dem born una to rule. They no born una to rule anybody. Oh. They can born una to rule una people for north, not in south. Because Nigeria, wey una carry for head, don expire since 2014. Nigeria don expire. Una understand me? Make una no allow una elite to push you to go and be doing open grazing. Why your elite people na dem stop open grazing for north? Why are they allowing the Fulani people to spoil your name, spoil the Hausa people's name? Then una allow una elite to dey spoil una own name. Na una be the original owner of North, Kaduna, Katsina, but Fulani don take over. Una know already. This one no be say dem say dem say. Don't allow your elite to push you to the wall. In fact, they have already pushed you guys to the wall. They don push una back don dey touch wall. So na wetin una go do if dem push una go war na to go against wetin una elite don brainwash una on top. Say na Nigeria, na una get Nigeria. No be una get Nigeria. And meanwhile, Nigeria don expire. Una go lis ten to una own brother, no be Yoruba man, no be Igbo, no be Delta, no be Middle Belt person. Una own Hausa brother talk true. If you no understand the English well, where your brother talk, call somebody wey dey educated, make e explain for you in your Hausa language, so that you go understand wetin una own person dey talk. That one don wake up. Na because say e understand wetin dem dey call manipulation. Manipulation. Make dem dey push una, make una go die. Dem dey push una, go die. And na una dey push una sef come die. Why dem go talk say make dem no do? Why dem no tell una say make una no do open grazing for north? Why dem come push una come south say make una go dey do am for south? Now south people come talk say dem no want. Where una wan go? Then make una go back to una north part. Make una dey do una open grazing there. Because this is not your land. You cannot leave your own land and come to another person land. Come dey do hunting. Wetin you dey hunt for there? Then tell una say they no get hunter for south. Then tell una say hunter no dey Edo State. Then tell una say hunter no dey Yoruba land. Then tell una say hunter no dey Igbo land or Middle Belt. Why una no stay una own land and respect una self to protect your own life. No, make una no allow una elite dey push una come dey die. Because Nigeria don expire and I am a Yoruba man and we want our own nation so that we will be speaking different language. Your language no be my language. My language na Yoruba. Na Yoruba be my language. So your own language na Hausa. Stay for your land, speak your language. If you wan come to my land, you go apply, say you wan come to my land. Na so e be before Lord Lugard. Those people maybe una no go understand. People wey enslave us, Lord Lugard, wey join Hausa, Igbo, Middle Belt, Yoruba together. Na those ones cause problem between us now. Make una get sense, make una get una arewa, jeje, make una dey rule una self, make una control una elite by una self. We, our elite, no fit push us. Come not say, mo come dey do rubbish for una land. So una elite no fit push una. Come our own land, come dey do rubbish, and we will think say we go fold our hand. They look una, they spoil our own land. They sleep with our own sister's mother in the name of Fulani, where they claim say, me I cannot differentiate Fulani and Hausa. All I know be say dem come from north. Now una allow them to take over una land. But for our own land, we no go allow Hausa people or Fulani or wherever, Fulani, Hausa, to come spoil our own land. We no go agree. Then they kill our own farmers so that we no go get food to eat. Na lie o, that one no go work. Una go lis ten to wetin una own brother talk by himself. Make una get understanding. Make una get sense, Hausa people. Wake up from your sleep. Hausa people, wake up from your sleep. No let all this una elite, the rich people wey dey una land, dey push una say make una go die. Una no go build una own future. Una no go take care of una own family, your own children, and educate them that they should not allow anybody to intimidate them. Whether they get money, they no get money. Don't allow anybody make them dey control una because of paper, money. So South no be una land. Make una stay una land. And if una wan stay our land, make una get sense. Live with peace. No come dey claim right say dem born una to rule Nigeria. This is not Nigeria. This is Yoruba land. Yoruba land no be North land, Hausa land. Una hear? I want you to listen with your own ear. Shey na cow dem dey call am. Zomana, zo, on ear. Listen. Put your ear for wetin this man talk.
And concept as northerners is retrogressive in nature. It's anti-developmental in nature. It's holding the country back in so many ways. Let's be factual with this. Let's look at it. When the herders started making all this havoc on communities, people advocated for the anti-open grazing bill. Who were the front runners in regards ensuring that this bill doesn't come through? The northerners. They kicked against it seriously, that at the end of the day it could not scale through. And here do we have a situation now where the Fulanis have migrated from making havoc on the north to the other parts of the country. And funny enough, you went against this bill, but when Fulanis are now committing this havoc on people, you tend to dissociate yourself. You say that it's not a northern thing, it's a Fulani thing. Nobody can tell me that. It's a northern thing, it's a northern ideology. So let's not distinguish between the tribes, because the last time I checked, the northerners were the strong advocates. Majority of the northerners opposed the bill. And look at what open grazing is doing to us. How long are we going to go this way? Again, look at what happened in regards to the closure of school during Ramadan. A lot of people, reasonable Nigerians, came out to say that this is wrong. This is anti-developmental. It doesn't stop you from doing your religion. It doesn't stop you from being who you are. But what did they not do? A quite majority were celebrating and were saying this is a good thing. This is a very big progress for the propagation of the gospel of God. And look at where we are now. So how are you going to tell me that the northerners are not hypocritical in nature? And let's face it, this is what the politicians do. And who are their disciples? Their disciples are the common northerners, the majority that are poor. The second point is the fact that when there was a bill in regards birth regulation, what happened? Who were the front runners in ensuring that that bill doesn't come through? It was still the North. I remember a senator coming to the Senate House with 5 or 6 of his wife, trying to convince people how he is happily married and is responsible. But let's face it, Oga. If you are capable, you have the capacity to marry 5 wives and have many children as much as you want. What now happens to your brothers? Those that doesn't have the capacity.
Welcome back. Now don't hear wetin this man talk. It's now left for you to hear and act. Eh? If una wan make una land better, if una wan make una own life future better, make una go do the needful. Make una talk the truth. Make una educate una self. Say these people no go dey push una go die again. Why una go come another person land, come dey do open grazing? We no want for our land. Una dey spoil our land. Nigeria is not for you people. Nigeria is not for you. Arewa is for you people. Nigeria is not for you people. Arewa is for you people. Igbo land, Biafra is for the Igbo people. Yoruba nation, Oduduwa nation is for the Yoruba people. Let us go our own way. Then Middle Belt too, then get their own whatever name they want to call themselves. So on this note, I will love everybody to subscribe, follow me, and like this program. Share it. Let it get to the Hausa. Just call them. Type Zomana. Type Zomana for the comment section. Type it. Zomana. Zo. Mona yeah. Wait till my brother just talk finish. Zomana. Zomana. On this note, I would like to end my program here. I will see you on the next one. My name remains Comrade Lamida Kombi Yagbo Yaju Okunrin Pupo. Peace out. See you on the next one. Oh, double.